Hi, this is Radhika from Anmiha Talangal YouTube channel. Today I like to share about Vaikunta Perumal Temple in Kanchipuram. Thiru Parameshwara Vinnaharam or Vaikunta Perumal Temple is a temple dedicated to Vishnu located in Kanchipuram in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Constructed in the Dravidian style of architecture, it is one among the 108 Divya Desams dedicated to Vishnu, who is worshipped as Vaikunta Nathan and is considered Lakshmi as Sri Vaikunta Valli. The temple is considered the second oldest extant temple in Kanchipuram after the Kailasanatha temple. The temple is believed to have been built by the Pallava king Narasimha Varman II, with later contributions from medieval Cholas and Vijayanagar kings. The temple is surrounded by a granite wall enclosing all the shrines and water bodies of the temple. Vaikunta Nathan is believed to have appeared to King Vrocha. The temple follows Vaikasana Ahama and observes 6 daily rituals and 2 early festivals. The temple follows Tenkalai mode of worship and is maintained and administered by the Hindu Religious and Endowment Board of the Government of Tamil Nadu. The temple is one of the prominent tourist attractions in the city. As per Hindu legend, the region where the temple is located was called Vidarbha Desa and ruled by a king named Vrocha. Due to his misdeeds in preceding birth, Vriksha had no heir. He prayed in Kailasanatha temple and Shiva, the presiding deity of the temple, gave a boon that the Dwarapalas of the Vishnu temple will be born as sons to him. The princes were devoted to Vishnu and conducted yagna for the welfare of the people of their kingdom. Vishnu was pleased with the worship and appeared as Vaikunta Natha to the princes. It is believed that in modern times Vishnu appears to devotees in the same form as he appeared to the Dwarapalakas Pallavan and Villalan. Parameshwara Vinnaharam is an earliest specimen of Dravidian architecture. The temple has a rectangular plan and approached through a flat granite gateway tower. The Vimana has a stepped pyramidal roof and it resembles a vihara. 3 sanctuaries host the image of Vishnu in different posture. Seated ground floor, lying first floor, accessible to devotees only on Ehadasi days, and standing second floor, inaccessible to devotees. The logical and complex plan of the temple provided a prototype for the much larger shrines to be constructed all over Tamil Nadu. The temple follows Vaikasana Ahama. The temple priests perform the puja during festivals and on a daily basis. Like other Vishnu temples of Tamil Nadu, the priests belong to the Vaishnavaiti community, a Brahmin subcaste. The temple rituals are performed 6 times a day. Each ritual has 3 steps: Alangaram, Naivedyanam and Deepa Aradhanai for both Vaikunta Nathan and Vaikunta Valli. During the last step of worship, religious instructions in the Vedas are recited by priests and worshippers prostrate themselves in front of the temple mast. There are weekly, monthly and fortnightly rituals performed in the temple. The Vaikasi Brahmotsavam celebrated during the Tamil month of Vaihasi and Vaikunta Ekadasi celebrated during the Tamil month of Margazhi are the 2 major festivals celebrated in the temple. Dear friends, there are many mysterious and amazing temples in India. If you like to know more about these temples, please subscribe our channel Anmiha Talangal. Until then, it's bye from Radhika. See you next video. Take care and bye-bye.